Gina with WTI. If you groom your pet at home and want to make the process as easy as possible, you have to check out this pet grooming kit from Enertwist. My mom and I have started grooming her 2-year-old Shih Tzu dog at home, and it's always been a struggle because his hair just absolutely gets everywhere. We're so impressed by how well this works. The vacuum is perfect. We actually were just able to keep it on level 1 for most of the grooming time, and having the different guards that the kit comes with was very helpful. We did find that we used the clippers without the guard for most of the grooming, and it's really nice because the guide on it doesn't get warm. So you can actually place that straight on your pet's skin. The clippers are smooth and they clip cleanly, and of course having this vacuum is amazing. You can see how much hair we got just from one grooming session. Now imagine if we didn't have this vacuum, it would just be absolutely everywhere. And it comes with a long nozzle, so cleaning up any little wispy bits of hair that came from using scissors to cut his hair or that may have gotten on the floor was so easy. It just made it amazing to clean up. I also really appreciate how long the cord is on this. It stretches so far. We had this on for about an hour and a half and it never got overheated. It just kept running perfectly and the dog wasn't afraid of it. My mom, her dog Joey, and I are all super impressed by this machine, and we think you will be too, but that's just our point of view.